Blender is not the beginner-friendly software in terms of the learning curve that one has to go through because, in that regard, it is one of the toughest software to learn in 3D space, according to most people. But, it is one of the most famous ones out there, that's for sure. I put 19 software names in a search volume detection tool, and Blender came out number 1 as it is being searched for about 368,000 a month in the US alone. You may ask, why did I include it then in this list? If it isn't a beginner-friendly 3D software? Well, as I said, it is one of the most popular software out there, which means you'll easily find its community on almost every platform, most notably on YouTube, because that's where most people learn Blender from. Blender Guru is one of my favorite places to learn Blender from for free. After that, you could go and purchase the Blender 2.8 Launchpad from CG Boost. It is one of the best and most in-depth courses out there on Blender. There's another reason that I've included it in this list as the number 1 option for beginners. And you may already have guessed it, but the reason was that it is a free 3D software that offers studio-like features that studios even have used to make some 3D movies in the past, and probably are still using it to make some that will soon be launched in future. Basically, it's a great free piece of software that you can go ahead and start getting your hands wet with, and that too without spending a dime. Because usually, 3D software costs thousands of dollars, as you may already be aware, so a beginner would never be able to afford such expensive software, which is why I've put this one as the number 1 here in our list.